Apologies for my hair, but I just got out of the shower. And, you know how sometimes, well, this actually might just be a me thing, I don't know if you do it too, but when you're just sitting at the computer and you just kind of, sometimes you just make a weird noise, like, oh, like, I don't know. I ended up making a weird noise and I found out that I can sound like a seagull. I don't know what it is. I want to see if I can do it again. Nope. I did that and I kind of scared myself, but that's so awesome. Another one I used to be able to do it when I was little, and I was curious. I was like, I wonder if I can still do that. Apparently I can. I can sound like a mountain lion. So, what was that? Like a dying frog? Oh yeah, the turkey. So those are weird noises I make while I'm on the computer.